How to find in-app notification settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find in-app notification settings on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and now click profile, and here in the top corner you will find these three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and here you will find this one here. Scroll down, here you will find that push notifications, and then now all you need to do is just click in-app, and as you see here you will find in-app notifications settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.